Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to remove items from to pay on AliExpress. So if you added something to your to pay section on AliExpress but changed your mind, here's how to remove it. Open AliExpress and go to your account at the bottom right, then go to My Orders section right here, and at the top of your screen you should go to section to pay. So to remove this item, you need to tap on it to open its details and then select the button Cancel Order. Then you have to provide a reason why you basically want to cancel it and confirm, and the item will disappear from your to pay section. So this way you can remove your item from to pay section on AliExpress. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.